How to check credit score on RBC Mobile Bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to check your credit score on your RBC Mobile Bank. So first of all you have to do is just open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just on the search bar search for RBC, and after that just simply download the application in your device. And once the application is downloaded in your device, just open that, and after that just simply log in into your account using your credentials like your client email ID and the password. And once you are logged in into your account, in order to check your credit score, you need to sign into the online banking of the RBCs. And after that you just need to scroll down to the box on the right hand side labeled as My Services, and in My Services box just select View Your Credit Score and just review the legal disclaimer and select Continue. And after that just review the Credit View Dashboard Agreement and select I accept and continue, and your credit score appears along with the various tools and calculators and educational information about credit report, credit monitoring, credit card, mortgage and more such informations. So this is basically how you will be able to check your credit score on RBC Mobile Bank. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.